Sanjay earned a profit of 600 by selling 100 kg of a mixture of A and B types of rice at total price of 2200. What was the proportion of A and B types of rice in the mixture if the cost price of A and B types of rice are 20 rupees and 10 rupees per kg respectively? Alright, so we are given in the question that Sanjay earned a profit of 600 by selling 100 kg of mixture of A and B types of rice, and total price he sold it at 2200. Alright, so this much is clear. Now we know that there is a mixture of 100 kgs and the mixture is of A and B. So we know that total mixture A plus B here is 100 kgs. Alright, now Sanjay earned a profit of 600. Alright, and he sold the entire mixture at total price of 2200. So this is the selling price and this is the profit here. So we can use the formula that says profit is equals to selling price minus cost price, or I can say that cost price here will be selling price minus profit. Alright, so we get cost price as selling price. Let's substitute for selling price. It is 2200 minus profit, which is 600. So we get cost price as 1600. Alright, so this much is clear. Now what was the proportion of A and B types of rice in the mixture if the cost price of A and B types of rice are 20 rupees and 10 rupees per kg respectively? Now Sanjay bought A kg of rice, A types of rice at 20 rupees per kg, right? Plus he bought B types of rice at 10 rupees per kg. Now this will total give me the cost price for Sanjay. This will be the cost price for Sanjay. But we already know that cost price here is 1600. So let's substitute it here. So we get this entire value we get as 1600. Now let's solve this. And let's take 0 common and it gets cancelled out with this 0. So we have 2A plus B is equals to 160. Now I can write this 2A as A plus A. Alright, I can write this 2A as A plus this B is equals to 160. And now this A plus B we can substitute it as 100 because we know that total mixture A plus B here is 100. Alright, so let's substitute it here. So we get A plus 100 is equals to 160, or I can say that A here is 60. 160 minus 100 will be 60. Now we know that A is equals to 60. Let's substitute this A over here and we'll get the value of B now. So B will be equals to 160 minus 2A. So 60 into 2 will be 120. So 160 minus 120 here will be 40. So we get the proportion in which A and B are mixed together. It is A is 60, B is 40, or I can say that this is 23s, 22s. So A and B are mixed together in the ratio 3:2. And this is our required answer. So here option C is the correct one. Now this is one way of solving the question. There is another way in which you can solve this question. It is called the alligation trick. So now let's see the alligation trick here. Now let's solve this question using the alligation trick. Alright, we know that there is a mixture of A and B. Alright, cost price of A here is 20 rupees per kg and cost price of B here is 10 rupees per kg. Now they both are mixed together and now we need the cost price per kg of the entire mixture. That will be substituted over here in the box. So what will be the cost price here? So we already know that cost price here will be selling price minus profit, and selling price here is 2200 minus profit is 600. So the cost price here that we get is 1600. But this 1600 is the cost price of the entire mixture of 100 kgs. Alright, this cost price is the cost price of the entire mixture of 100 kg. But we need cost price per kg. So what we do here is we divide this value by 100. Now we will get the cost price per kg here. It will be 16 rupees. Alright, 16 rupees. So now we know that cost price of A here is 20 rupees per kg. Cost price of B here is 10 rupees per kg. Both are mixed together. Now the cost price of the entire mixture becomes 16 rupees per kg. Now what we do is get the difference of 16 and 10 here. So difference of 16 and 10 will be 6 and write it here. And difference of 20 and 16 here will be 4 and we write 4 here. So we get 2 3s and 2 2s. So we have got the ratio in which A and B are mixed together. It will be 3:2. And this is our required answer. Again, option C here is the correct one. So you can either solve this question the normal way or you can use the alligation tricks. So this is how you solve the question.